Hey everybody, so this is a quick video to help you if you have a Samsung dishwasher and you're getting a heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, error on your screen. So the heavy error is indicating a leak. So what you're going to need to do is turn your machine off and try to look for where there is water leaking out. The number one thing to do would be to check the drain hose and see is there any leaks in the drain hose behind, or has it maybe just come loose, and you'll be able to tell. If that's the case, you'll be able to tell there'll be water leaking out from either where it connects or something like that. So just check all over the whole machine and see if you can find, especially underneath can be a good place to figure out where is there water coming from that's leaking. And once you are able to identify the leak and get that fixed, you should be able to get rid of this error. Anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.